Hello and welcome to Vizrt. My name is Chris Black and I'm here with Phillip Maher from Sound and Vision in the Netherlands. Welcome, Phillip.
Hi Chris, good morning.
So it's the first day here at Vizrt Days. You are presenting this afternoon, I believe. Can you tell me a little bit about what you're presenting about?
Well, we just finished a European tender at the end of last year, and we're in the middle of a design phase for a large project at the moment. We've just had 4 large workshops with the whole team, and we're rounding off the design phase at the moment. We're hoping to have an agreement on the design phase in the middle of June.
So you have just decided to go with Viz1. This is this large tender that you're referring to. And Viz1 is our media asset management system. Now you've been using a system for about 10 years now. Mm-hmm. Why are you deciding to make the change?
Well, we have a highly customized system at the moment at Sound and Vision. About 10 years ago, when Sound and Vision invested in a MEM system, there wasn't a system out there that we needed. So it started off as a blue order system, and on top of that we built our own catalog, and on top of that we built our own search engine, and then on top of that we built our own portals. So you can imagine it's a very complicated system, and the running costs are really, out there. So we decided to go with a company that is their core business, and it's not our core business to build MEM systems.
So what kind of benefits are you looking for getting out of the new MEM system?
Well, like I mentioned already, the running costs is one thing, more efficiency, time to market. I have to say the system that we built ourselves, it's very stable and it's working very well. But at the end of the day, everything is hard-coded. So even small little changes take weeks, sometimes months to implement.
How much content are you talking about managing?
Well, quite a lot actually. At the moment we have above 1 million hours of content. We're archiving everything for 8 broadcasters in the Netherlands. And 7 years ago, the Dutch government gave us 115 million euros to digitize all the archive. So this led to an explosion of storage that needs to be managed. And this was all done during the daily running of the system. So it's that plus everything that's coming in every day from the broadcasters at the moment as well.
Do you have a particular launch date in mind?
Yes, hopefully, like I said, we're hoping to sign off the design phase in the middle of June, and then we're looking at launching the system next year.
And who are going to be the users for the system?
Well, all the broadcasters, obviously. We have a closed environment for the broadcasters at Media Park in the Netherlands. And this is just 1,700 broadcast users, but it's also open to the general public as well. The difference between the general public and the broadcasters is everything has to be licensed. The content does not belong to Sound and Vision, so the general public has to ask if they can download the content first.
Right. And what are your future plans for the system?
Well, we're right in the middle of a pilot project at the moment with the Dutch Parliament. We're looking to maybe record everything from the Dutch Parliament. We're doing a small little project at the moment, and hopefully that'll kick off next year. Another thing we're looking into is an educational platform for all the schools. There are deals in place that the schools are allowed to have a look at all the content without licensing.
All right, well, thank you, Phillip, and thank you for coming to Vizrt Days.
You're very welcome, Chris.